What we're doing here is now factoring using the difference of squares technique, and we're going to go through some examples where in some cases factoring is possible using the technique and in some cases it's not. So I have in front of me three expressions and I'm going to see if I can apply my difference of square template to each one of these. So the first one, x squared minus 25, well, if I notice that 25 is actually a perfect square, I have my difference of squares template. So I can write that as x minus 5 and x plus 5. Okay, now for the second one, well, we almost have all the requirements of a difference of squares except that this is not a difference, it's a sum. So although the 16x squared is a perfect square, the 9 is a perfect square, we need to have a subtraction in the middle. So this is not factorable. Not factorable. Okay, and for the final one, if I look closely here, I notice that 25 and 36, well, yep, they're perfect squares. So let me write it in a format that is recognizable to me as a difference of squares. I'm going to write it as 5a squared minus 6b squared. Now you don't have to do this. I just like to do it so I can see the perfect squares. And now I can apply my formula. It's 5a minus 6b. And then I have 5a and plus 6b. And there you have three examples, two which are factorable using the difference of squares technique and one is not.